Build your machine frames, conveyors, or full workstations in just a few hours with MTI aluminum profiles. No welding, no special tools, just pure modular efficiency. Our MTI anodized aluminum profiles are the backbone of your industrial projects. Built on a universal accessory system, they allow you to attach connectors, brackets, and a full range of accessories anywhere along the profile at any time. No welding, no special tools. Just the flexibility to design, build, and adapt any structure to your exact needs. At MTI Automation, we don't just sell parts. We provide design services from A to Z, delivering full turnkey projects tailored to your specific industrial needs. From safety guarding to complex robotic cells, the possibilities are endless. If you can imagine it, our modular system can build it. With our massive inventory in Laval, we offer fast delivery across Canada. Keep your projects on track with our turnkey solutions and expert support. Your next build starts today at mtiautomation.com. Call us at 1-877-6299-191 to get started.